ass like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas.
This looks so weird. I think the speakers are back here in the back. I think these are speakers. I do like the green though. Oh no, this looks so weird. I don't even know what this is called. Oh yeah, what is it? Elva era. Comment down below. Let me know. Would you buy this? Oh, it has like, huh? It's a different exhaust. Shit, it's like 4 exhaust systems on there. That's weird. It's a lot of stuff going. Yeah, I don't know. It's probably, I'm gonna say it's closer to probably a 570. No, a 720. It's like this one. The no, you call this the no roof version of this. I like this color though. Suede and carbon fiber.
The driver, so you don't have all that wind pressure hitting against your head.
Also, this one, you don't need the helmet.
Well, technically in California you do, but sunglasses technically count as eye protection, so.
Faster than a 720, huh? That's crazy. Yeah, definitely a street legal go-kart then. That's fast, because the 720 is already fast, but shit.
Yeah. So this paint, you can't see it in the showroom, obviously, but it's called Borealis.
It looks purple.
So it's black with, you can kind of see the green. You got pink, and then it fades into purple.
Oh, shoot. They got to take this outside, because I can't tell, it just look black.
You can kind of see it when you pull your flashlight.
That's crazy, so.
You can kind of see the green and blue right there.
Oh, yeah.
And then when you go up to here, it's like kind of the purple you can see in the showroom lights that way. But it's hard
That's
to
neat.
See. It's hard to see in here unless it's out in the sun.
Yeah, I figured. That's tight though. So, is this the only color it comes with?
No, you can spec it out to whatever you want.
Oh, yeah, I need that blue over there. I need that blue. That baby blue.
Oh yeah.
That baby blue with orange interior. That's it.
See, I would want a gray with orange interior.
Well, okay. That's a good option right there.
Orange calipers.
Yeah, cause do like a basic, because technically you see the whole thing anyway, so it's like you do like a basic color then.
Yeah.
And then inside like the roof part.
Yeah.
That's smart. Okay.
Pretty cool.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably like 1.5. Ooh. Oh my goodness. All right. This is the most expensive McLaren I touched. There you go. That's funny.
Even the green's pretty cool.
Yeah. Because like up here is like a orange and yellow, and then down there is like a green.
Exactly.
It depends on like what angle you look at.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
That's all this. That's why I like this one the most.
Yeah.
It's just all it depends on what angle it is you look at, the color of the car and other colors.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Are you a forged carbon or a carbon guy?
Forged.
Okay, good. All right. Okay. All right. Yeah, forged carbon I think is the best.
Yeah. I see too much of the normal hybrid.
Yeah, because I'm McLaren outside. That's perfect. That's probably the best like forged carbon out McLaren I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, that's mandatory to have that. Dang.
It's very cool.
Yeah, the whole car is fire. The wheels, that's just perfect. It's slammed too.
Very well done.
Yeah.
People say it's too much, and I'm like,
No, that's not even perfect yet. It's like it's perfect, but sheesh.
Exactly.
I could have went with a crazier paint color.
Yeah.
It's something like standoutish, but I feel like that color with forged carbon stands out.
Oh, and
Yeah.
it almost looks like it's like a camo wrap.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You're like, oh, that's perfect.
Well, you guys can see, but yeah, it's true. Yeah, because that McLaren is hard. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh yeah.
Damn. Yeah, I gotta drive this one day. I got driving this.
It'll blow your mind away, I promise.
Damn, because if it's faster than 720, then.
I believe it is. Let me look it up and make it official.
Oh yeah, as long as it's not electric, I'm cool.
No, it's not. It's a
Yeah.
turbo V8.
Because isn't the Lambo one electric? I forgot what it's called.
The Seal?
Yeah,
That
that.
has the electric. It's not technically like fully electric.
It's like half, whatever.
shifting, so
Yeah.
it makes it faster.
Okay, that's good then. Yeah. Yeah, I can't do a full electric like supercar for some reason. No.
So it has 804 horsepower.
Fuck. 800 horsepower. That is crazy. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I probably can't drive this. Nah. Nah, that's 800 horsepower in this thing.
Yeah.
That's way too fast for me. I ain't gonna lie. Well, it's not. I'm lying. That's not too fast for me. But in this,
Yeah.
because there's no top. There's like, if anything happens,
Exactly.
there's no top at all. So you're not gonna be safe in this.
I've had a couple of last weeks. Should I wear a helmet if I buy one? I'm like, yeah, you probably should.
Yeah, I'm about to buy me a matching helmet to match the car. That's mandatory.
So, like, I couldn't imagine like you going like 100 something.
It's like imagine going like
flies up and hits
160,
you.
like 160 on a freeway with no helmet or glasses.
Exactly.
No.
Not technically.
I'm wearing shades. I ain't wearing a helmet. I'm finna wear shades.
Legal law is some sort of face protection, but you can get sunglasses.
That's crazy.
Technically. But
That
I
screen
would
is small.
recommend a helmet.
Yeah. I feel like once I get like to 65, 70, then maybe helmet or shades
Yeah.
or both maybe. But probably probably not a helmet though. Like the whole time. Like if I'm on the street, I'm not wearing a helmet. Damn, look, that armrest is so small.
The seats are weird to sit into because like you expect like a normal flat
Yeah.
seat. You've sat in the McLaren.
Yeah.
You expect like the normal McLaren feel.
Yeah, but this is like
This one
more
gives you
like
the more,
like a hunch.
The way I like to describe it, it's a more comfortable version of a McLaren P1 seat.
The P1, I hate the P1 seat.
It's a lot.
So because P1 seat, I'm not gonna lie, that was probably the hardest seat I've ever tried to sit in like comfortably. Like getting in and out was horrible.
It's not very big guy friendly.
Yeah. Nah, the seats, dude. Nah, it's a little stiff. The seats are
It
stiff.
feels that way until you're actually in it. It's really
Yeah.
not that bad.
Yeah.
There's not the little bucket sides that you just like that make you go like that. It's like you have like free arm space. And
Yeah, 'cause that's good. Yeah, because I ain't trying to be
it's nice.
just like this trying to drive. Like, nah. This look good though. For over 2 million. I don't know about that one though, but damn, 800 horsepower.
It's something you don't see every day too.
I mean, that is true, yeah. Because you don't even see the Lambo version of this
Yeah.
anywhere, unless it's like at a Cars and Coffee. That's
Exactly.
probably the only place I've seen it besides when Damon was driving it. That was the only time I've seen it actually driving.
Yeah.
But other than that, yeah, I've only seen one. I seen I think it was the one you guys had here. I think, or it was the same color as one you guys had here. It was parked. It was parked at
The black and red one?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen that one. I think at like in San Clemente. Yeah, like recently. I was like, shit, somebody bought one. I'm like, all right.
Yeah, no, so what's cool about this too is this whole hatch comes back up, like it flips open, and on that side is your is where you fill up the car, so you have to
Yeah.
actually pop
Oh,
back to fuel it. And then in the middle, like right here, when you buy the car, I actually think they come with don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure they come with a custom helmet that you can
Oh,
order with
shit,
it.
okay.
There's actually a slot in there for the helmet.
That's tight.
Yeah.
Okay, that's tight. So it'll just go in the middle.
Yeah, it goes literally dead center.
Oh, that's tight. Okay. Okay. See, that's worth the extra,
Yeah.
like $500,000 just for the helmet.
Sadly, this is from our McLaren Philadelphia store.
Yeah.
So we didn't get the helmet with it. But that's
I could
their-
buy one,
That's
yeah.
their inventory over there. But
Yeah.
when you sell the car, if we sell the car here, we're gonna ship it over here.
Yeah, that
obviously.
makes sense.
But I wanted to see what the helmet looked like. If it's like the same color as
Yeah, 'cause if it's
with
like
the
exactly
green,
like color match,
it would be really cool.
that would actually be tight. Yeah.
It would be really cool.
Oh yeah, especially if it's like a carbon helmet with like the green,
Yeah.
like I don't know, like colorway with it.
Yeah, with like a little like stripe like this, like just a green
Yeah,
stripe
exactly.
in the
Yeah,
middle or something.
that'd be tight.
That'd be super cool.
That would be tight. Damn. 800 horsepower this thing. All right. I've driven cars with 1,300 horsepower plus, undrivable, but
It's a
This
lot,
from factory, so I feel like it's drivable.
It's a lot more different than you think when there's
Yeah.
no windshield and roof.
Yeah, because that's
It
like
feels like it has a lot more horsepower than
Yeah.
it actually does. Because you actually have the wind coming
yeah, I
into
ain't think about that because that's like riding a bike with no helmet.
Yeah, exactly.
That's right. Yeah, okay.
It's like you're getting towed with an 800 horsepower car on a bike.
Yeah. Fuck, that's crazy. Damn, imagine a 800 horsepower bike. That would be crazy. An 800 horsepower bike. Damn.
Yeah.
Well, I can't afford this right now. I'll come back.
Maybe later, maybe.
Yeah, later. Yeah. For now, I still can't afford this, but this is a safer option compared to. Yeah, this is double this and some.
Yeah.
Damn. Safer. It has a roof to it. Seats are way more comfortable.
Yeah.
Way more. Now the question is, do you think this one will have like the typical McLaren problems?
Will it have what?
Or the typical McLaren problems?
You know, honestly, I have no idea. Because personally, I'm a salesman, so I take care of
Yeah.
the cars here. I personally, I don't think we've actually sold one here to the point where we can figure it out.
Yeah, exactly.
The same problem with the 720 and 560.
Yeah.
But I'm hoping this one sells somewhere local because then they'll come back here for us to see.
Yes, I actually figured out. Yeah. That is true.
I can't answer that.
I hope not though. For that price,
Yeah.
I really hope not. Dang. And you got the rear view mirror right there. I have no clue what the hell you're gonna see out of that behind you.
So it's funny because they just.
Is it there?
Do you know Jay Leno? Jay Leno's
Yeah.
So he just did a whole thing on this, and one of that was actually the European specs.
Yeah.
Don't have that because you don't have to have a rear mirror.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Here in California, you have to. So all that is just a brushed piece of.
Because I was like, yeah, I don't think it's like an actual mirror on there.
They're saying that it was like it's something so you could see out of, but not.
Yeah, you can't see that out of
You
there.
have to have it.
Yeah.
I think it's funny too. I laugh at
It's very hilarious. That's like the first thing I seen. I was like, is that a rear view mirror?
Yeah.
I was like, because the car is literally facing down, like in the middle of the seat. So I have, so I was like, I have no clue what you're gonna see out of that, but you're gonna see
It's interesting.
something like that. Dang, that is tight.
Well, it's good seeing you.
I'll be back as usual. A lot. Yeah, for sure. You too. Well, Freed, I got one video out of this car. Well, y'all, I got one video out of this car. Man, y'all got a video out of this car. No cuts. That's funny, but dang, this is an 800 horsepower street legal go-kart. That's crazy. And it costs $2.5 million. Yeah, it is light, man. See, I'm wearing not one watch, but two watches today, and then you got the fit check.
6,000 shoes.
The fit check. You got the fit check. Two watches, full sleeve, and then a shirt to match. So, but yeah, that's it for this video. This is a McLaren. I'm assuming 2022 McLaren Elva. 2.5 mil. I can't believe it. I do want to drive it.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at.